Hello, sir. Excuse me, you're not audible, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it's audible.
Oh, very sorry. Apologize. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to introductory session on aromatherapy, SOPs, and product making in cosmetology and trichology in Ayurveda. So, this is going to be a special one because, as you know, cosmetology was one of our first classes. So, I welcome all of you to this session. Thank you all for coming in early today. So I'll just give you an introduction of what Pradigna is all about and how we started. So actually, this was our first ever program on cosmetology and in Pradigna. It was on cosmetology only, and we have the teachers of that program here itself, here also. The second was on Keraliya Panchakarma, which was again beautiful program. We had one on Agnikarma by Dr. Alex. We had one on Uttaravasti. In fact, we just finished the second part of Uttaravasti just a few days ago. This was the program that is currently going on. This was the first program that we conducted, and this now we'll be having the second part. We had a program on Vastikarma, and all these programs, if you see, we have tried to concentrate all these programs upon the course or the stream that will benefit you in your career. So this Ashana is a program that is specifically designed for students who are learning Ayurveda. This is on diagnostic methods and prescription in Ayurveda. Subalyam is a program on the Kaumara Bhritya aspect, which will help you in your career. We had one on Ridu Samiksha, which concentrated on the Prasuti Tantra and Sri Roga aspect. Raktamokshanam was another concept or program that we conducted. Is it not audible, Dr. Rahul? There are a few people.
It's audible, sir. Right now.
It is. I hope it is audible for everyone. If not, please just mention in the chat. Yeah, thank you. So this was another program on the dermatology and its management in Ayurveda called Sparsha. Ayurvedic cosmetology and trichology. This was a second program that we conducted on the same concept. We had the second Panchakarma classes back, I believe in, yeah, it is audible. Thank you, Dr. Vinayak. So Brihad Saptaha was a unique program that we conducted upon each Samhita, that is the Sushruta the Charaka Samhita, and the Ashtanga Samhita and Ashtanga. There was no other program till date which was conducted like this. And we had eminent faculties for that program. Agnikarma, the second batch, was also conducted. Then came the art of infertility and management called Prajaniyam, which was a program in July. Another Uttaravasti Karma, as I told you just before, we completed few days ago. In fact, 19th was our last class on that. And these are the feedbacks of our participants of our program. So I thank each and every one of the participants of our program who have helped us, supported us, spread the word, and help us, reach more people. So thanks to all of you for helping us do that. We would we would request all of you who are interested in cosmetology to please share this with your friends and colleagues who are interested in cosmetology, this course and this, the brochures of this program, so that even they will also be benefited. Now, just before we start, just a few words. We'll be posting a link to a chat in the chat box. Dr. Rahul will be posting a link to a WhatsApp group where you can click and join the WhatsApp group, and all the details of the program will be coming there, like the brochure, the curriculum, everything will be mentioned there, so that you can make an informed decision. Please share that with your friends also, so that they will also get to know what it is. Now, at the end of the session, we will be having a Q&A session. If you have any doubts regarding the course, you can ask, and we will try to answer all of this. Right now, we'll be having the teachers of this program will be talking to us on what the program is all about. Now, just before that, this is a website that you can reach us at, and the email address where you can reach us. So before going into the teachers, each individual teachers who will be giving you the idea about what they are going to teach, this is a platform where we try to make it very clear, like the teacher is going to tell you what they are going to teach, so that there is no misinterruption or interpretation of anything. You will have a clear idea about what you are going to learn. So the first teacher I would like to call upon is Dr. Madhu Chawla. So just a small introduction of Dr. Madhu before I hand over the mic to Dr. Madhu. Dr. Madhu Chawla is the owner of Ayurbella brand, Ayurbella Private Limited, Panchakarma and Multi-Specialty Clinic. She had done her BMS from Podar Medical College. She is an entrepreneur, manufacturer of Ayurvedic products. Ayurbella is an ISO and GMP certified company into products manufacturing since 4 years. She has arranged workshops at Saptashringi College, Nasik, Osmanabad, Government College, and many more institutions. Over 90 plus offline workshops, 60 plus online workshops for basic and advanced product making. Skin and Panchakarma OPD at Ullas Nagar. Owner of Ayurbella Health Cafe, authentic and modern, fully equipped cosmetology laser setup at OPD, master in permanent makeup, a trainer at Mumbai Soapers Meet, specialized as cosmetologist, trichologist, skin esthetician, clinical dietitian, and DMT. So I give you Dr. Madhu Chawla. Over to you, madam. Once again.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening, Pratigya team. First of all, I would like to congratulate Pratigya team for successfully completing the cosmetology course. In a very short span of time, we are trying to cover maximum topics along with the practical demonstration, practical product preparation, everything we are covering in a given span of time. So first of all, I would like to congratulate for that, and hopefully we will be able to see all the students of the previous class in this session also for the advanced things. So first I'll be covering the aromatherapy. See, in product preparation, or if you are having your Panchakarma setups also, many of you know we are using essential oils. If you know, many of the companies just by using essential oils as their actives are using the products. So essential oils are having that potential efficacy and that results that will be very genuine to your patients. So how to use those essential oils into your products? I'll give you a very basic example. See, if you might be using black pepper essential oil into your vapor ups, but how many drops ideally you should add into your product to make it genuine and to give genuine results also? So for that, how to prepare the blends of essential oils, what are the restricted essential oils, how we are extracting the essential oils, and how to use it into our products and into our Panchakarma setups. So all the parts of essential oils, aromatherapy, basics, and mainly related to skin and hair we'll be covering in this further sessions. After that, I'll be covering the part mesoportion. So by using some of the probes, if you are unable to do the invasive procedures, just by using one or two machines also, you will be able to penetrate the products into the deeper layers of the skin. So mesoportion also we'll be covering in this sessions. After that, we'll be dealing with the very basic things. See, many of the students were genuinely interested into Ayurvedic therapies only. So in Ayurvedic therapies, I'll just give you the basic examples. See, this is the basic Kansyavan that we can use for the face toning to make the skin firm. So these are the small instruments how you will be using into your OPDs. All the things we'll be covering. How to give the strokes for these small instruments, what products you can apply while you are doing any kind of Ayurvedic therapies to your patients. So everything we'll be covering today. I'll just show you some of the instruments, basic instruments. You can easily get it online also. We'll also guide you how to use this, how to purchase this. See, this is the original rose quartz roller. It is mainly used for anti-aging purpose to make the skin firm and give the cooling effect on the skin. It helps to make the skin elasticity better. So see, if you are not interested to go towards the complete machine side, so these are some of the small instruments you can use at your OPD levels. See, these are the gold energy bars. Just by the vibration, it can improve the circulation and helps for the product penetration also. So these are some of the small things we'll be covering in this session. After that, I'll be guiding you regarding the advancements. See, this is the field where every day you are getting something new, something advanced. So some of the advanced products, it can be Korean products, it can be other things also. We'll be guiding you everything in the sessions like magnetic mask, like galactose sheet mask, everything we'll be teaching you. Along with that, basics also obviously will be revised. Some of the creams, some of the packs we'll be revising. And with the help of Siddha Tailam Kalpana, I'll guide you how to prepare the hair oil. So by changing the herbs, you can prepare other oils also. How to do packing, labeling, what is the costing of the product, your costing, your selling price, from starting to end, even from the basics up to the advanced level, we'll be covering in this part. So I hope to see you all in the further sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Madhu, for that wonderful introduction. I'm very sure, the students are intrigued, by the instruments. Now, one thing, as Dr. Madhu has said, it is very important that making a product is, kind of the half the thing, but you have to sell it, right? So that also will be helping you, not selling it, but how to sell. We will teach you how to fish, as the fisherman's story goes. Now, again, I just want to repeat, next we'll go to the next teacher, Dr. Amala. Before that, I'll introduce her. But one more thing, Dr. Rahul is posting a link to a WhatsApp chat. You can click on that and join a WhatsApp group where all the details of this program will be given, the curriculum, all the details, which all days, what the time, how much will be the recordings available, all the details will be given there. And yes, the recordings will be available. I'll let you know at the end of the session what the course we have designed. And if you have any questions, you can put in the chat and we can discuss that later on. So next, let me call upon Dr. Amala Jyoti. So Dr. Amala Jyoti, MD, Chief Physician and Board of Advisory, Health with Food, Online Consultation, Bangalore. Chief Physician, Ayur Jyoti Clinic, Trivandrum. Did a BMS from Amrita School of Ayurveda and MD from SDM College of Ayurveda, Hassan. Former Assistant Professor, the Department of Agata Tantra, SDMCA, Udupi. Part of teaching team in Cosmetology Certificate course conducted by Cosmetology OPD, SDMCA, Udupi. Also worked as consultant in Cochin Arya Vaidyashala, Trivandrum. Comprehensive exposure in skin OPD at SDM College of Ayurveda, Hassan. Consultant in cosmetology OPD at SDM College of Ayurveda, Udupi. Resource person in various workshops, CMEs, health awareness programs. Published 5 articles and presented around 15 papers in national and international seminars. Presented in 11 national, 6 international seminars, and several other academic and career-oriented CMEs and workshops. So without further ado, let me call upon Dr. Amala Jyoti to give her introduction. Welcome, madam.
Thank you, Dr. Shyam. And it's always, coming back to Pratigna is like coming back to your home. A series of webinars or series of sessions on cosmetology, and I think this is the only platform who has been successfully completed to fully filled batches. Conducting batches is fine, but completing it with the full or good number of students is one thing Pratigna has achieved, and it is a good effort that the whole team has taken. So, and for me also, I find it always good to come back, and this time we'll be dealing with a lot of new varieties of things. And yeah, Dr. Shyam, I have started a cosmetic manufacturing unit in Bangalore named Dermis Love Cosmetics. So it's a private limited company, and it's a brand to brand. So I think Vinayak sir will be a best person to explain more, but still there is a lot of opportunities in the field of cosmetology where an Ayurvedic doctor, see, usually we relate it to academics and practice. Okay, mostly post a doctor, you either go into academics or you go into practice. But understand cosmetics is one branch where, you can start up into an industrial level. An entrepreneur in cosmetics is another way a doctor can develop themselves into. So here, whenever we have cosmetics, it includes skincare, hair care, and body care. So body care, the first thing, which always everyone uses are soaps. We should know how soaps are made, what are the different types of soaps. And we can have a soap from 10 rupees to 800 rupees. Okay, what is the difference in this? What are the way we can customize it? So basically you have a machine made soap, you have cold process and hot process soap. Starting at, okay, obviously in the basic we have done the melt and pour, which is easier, but a little bit of precision is required when you are doing it at a cold process or hot process method. So this time we will be doing a cold process, hot process, and designer soaps. So with cold process, you will have the designer soap. So we will have multiple swirls and everything, which makes your product very attractive. Then the latest in trend, it's all serums. You go to any cosmetic platform, search for the trending cosmetics. You will see gold serum, diamond serum, vitamin C serum, alpha arbutin, hyaluronic acids. It's all serums. So to go on with the trend, we should know how to make serums, which is the best way, which are the best actives or additives that has to go in this, how to check the stability of them, which is the packaging, because especially when we are using serums, there a lot of concentration should go on the packaging, because vitamin C and all get oxidized very fast. So you should ensure that it is not in a transparent packaging and all that. So all that thing will be covered. Next, we have mask. So we'll have sheet mask, which is, I think, Madhu ma'am is covering, but you have powder mask, which is very inherent to Ayurvedic people. We use all sort of our herb powders and we make it into a powder mask, which can be used for hair and face. But you also have emulsified and non-emulsified mask. So that also is one point which I'll be covering. Next, see, one thing when I've come to this manufacturing is people want Ayurvedic oils, but they don't want the smell of Ayurvedic oil and the thickness of Ayurvedic oil. So how do you customize them into a cosmetic grade? There are different types of carrier oils you can add. There are different types of essential oils you can add on to it to give it a good smell. So what we'll do is anyway, Madhu ma'am is preparing the Ayurvedic oils. I'll tell you how we can make the oils at a better cost-effective price into a more fragrant and more appeasing. Okay, so what is more appealing to the clients. So that is another thing that what we'll be doing. Then hydrosols. So this time I'll be doing a live demonstration of preparing hydrosol. So with that, you will get to know how to make your essential oils also. So that will be one class which we'll be taking on. And this time I'll be showing you the basic lag setting that has to be there. Usually we used to make with all the stick blenders and everything. So now a little bit of change here. We'll be taking it along with the chemist who will be doing it in a lab, where we will have a little bit of lab stirrers and all the pH testing, different methods of doing pH testing, all that we'll be covering. And obviously Ayurvedic doctors, as soon as the course ends, the first thing is, how much should we invest? Can we do all these things? So obviously you are bound by the jurisdiction in the state rules where you practice. But there are certain things where an Ayurvedic doctor can practice irrespective of the place they practice. So one common thing is PRP. That is platelet-rich plasma treatment. So what we do is, it is very good for skin and hair rejuvenation and regrowth. What we do, we'll do one sitting of PRP. Post that, a little bit alteration, how we incorporate Ayurvedic medicines and do a microneedling. So clubbed both together, we get a very, very good result. And it is something which is easily done. If you have a centrifuge machine in your lab, it's done. Or else you can have a tie-up with the next lab. So just get a centrifuge done, get the plasma. It's very easy to do. And it is something you don't need much of an expertise in. Okay, so that is there. And one last important topic is, it's all about saying natural cosmetics, organic cosmetics. So we know organic cosmetics is something which is almost impossible. So the reason which I say it is almost impossible is, once I came to the unit, this unit prepares the African black soap, I think, which is the only natural soap in the world. So soaps obviously means there is a lye, saponification has to happen. But African black soap is something, we still don't know the formula of the powder, because it is something which is very native for the African tribe. But getting that powder, we make it into a soap without any chemicals. Okay, so this is one organic product, and there are some organic butters with that, some essential oils. There are a little bit possibility, maybe 1 or 2 possibilities of making a organic cosmetic. So we'll see whether it is actually possible. And if it is possible, we'll see one or two examples. Okay, so this is what I'll be covering in the series, in this session of Pratigna Advanced Cosmetology. I wish the team a great success and hope to see all the students who attend here to join for the same.
Thank you, Dr. Amala. For that wonderful introduction. Again, I just want to tell Dr. Rahul is posting a link to a WhatsApp chat. You can click on the link and you can join a WhatsApp group where all the details of this program will be posted later on. Even this video, if you are late here, this video also will be posted so that you will be able to get an idea about what the teachers have already spoken. And you'll get an idea about what this course is going to be all about. Now, please, I would request all of you to please share this info with your friends and colleagues who are interested in cosmetology. This is going to be something different, and I'm very sure this is going to help them in their career. So let me go to the next teacher who we have here. We have Dr. Vinayak Navanale. Sorry. Before I hand it over to him, a small introduction of Dr. Vinayak. Dr. Vinayak Navanale, the proprietor of Jyoti Biotech, Pune, did his UG from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and MD in Roganidana from Tilak Ayurveda College, Pune. He has started his career as QC consultant with spectrophotometer in pharma, followed by developing own lab for clinical pathology and analytical solution firm for different biotech firms in Pune. Acquaintance with cosmetic QC labs since 2012, worked with international labs for stability, formulation in cosmetic industry, started independent firm Jyoti Biotech in 2017. So he is a very accomplished doctor. So let me call upon Dr. Vinayak to give his the introduction of his topics. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello, am I audible? Am I audible,
yes,
sir?
Yes, sir. You are, sir. Yes, sir.
Just a minute. My video is not. Okay. Am I visible also? Because
yes,
my
sir.
video is. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Sham, Pratigna team, Anjana ma'am, Rahul sir, Nair ma'am. You are a wonderful, wonderful team. It's really hard work to collect so many people and successfully complete so many programs at single time all across the India to manage it. It's a really cumbersome HR administration that you have achieved, you have done, and you have repeatedly done, and it's almost 4th program with you. I'm happy and very satisfied to join you. So myself, Dr. Vinayak, my firm name is Jyoti Biotech, and we do third-party contract manufacturing in the field of Ayurveda, in field of Ayush licenses. Here, I'll be talking about FDA, Food and Drug Administration. We'll be see, when you start with DIY, you start getting success. Somebody from Ayurvedic community, somebody from BMS degree goes into cosmetic or certain kind of dispensing, and then he starts getting success. So while going outside of your OPD, if you want to sell it online or if you want to sell it in the shop, you need FDA license. I'll be talking about that. Now, to get a product manufactured under the FDA license, you always don't need your own factory. So many brands, almost 2/3 of this industry works on the two principal, loan license or third-party manufacturing. I'll be talking about these type of licenses as well. I'll be talking about the contract manufacturing. Now, cosmetic industry has seen a lot of disruption in Corona period, post-Corona period. There are so many small brands are emerging, so many. Large brands have been disrupted. So there is an ample of vacuum for so many brands, so many types. And as already said in the Ayurveda, Purusham Purusham Vikshati, that individual cosmetics are coming according to skin type, according to age type, according to your need, according to specific requirement. There is already a market requirement of different types of skin care and cosmetic as well as hair care. I'll be talking in that perspective how you can manufacture your own brand with FDA license. For that, somebody might be interested in the research as well, creating own IPR. As the Madhu ma'am said, lots of new things are happening in the cosmetics. There are 2/3. If you take the biotech patents all across Japan, Korea, Europe, and USA, 2/3 of these patents are registered in skincare and hair care, not in the vaccine, biotech, cardiac, or hematology or emergency science. 2/3 of the patents are registered only in the skincare. So there is immense potential if you develop your own IPR, intellectual property rights, or intellectual patents. There is a lot of scope in the Ayurveda. You see, Bakuchi we are using from since 2000 years, 3000 years. Bakuchi everybody is heard of. It works on the skin. It works on vitiligo or white patches of the skin. In the generic language, it's the white patches, or in the medical terminology, it's vitiligo. And that extract, Bakichinol, is patented, IPR'd in Europe and USA. If I make a Bakuchi extract and try to sell in the Europe in the name of Bakichinol, I cannot do it. I'll be punished. What I'm telling you, what I'm conveying you, that there is a lot of immense potential using Ayurveda as a IPR and developing your own product. I'll be talking about that. For that, you need to have a basic understanding of laboratory cosmetic. Yes, there is a dedicated branch of laboratory cosmetic. It not only deals with the research in the cosmetic, but pre-production laboratory tests, post-production laboratory testing. In many states, FDA has a local state authority, but in many states such as Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Himachal Pradesh, post-production laboratory testing of your cosmetic product is compulsory. In the south, it may be, I don't know much about, but it may be compulsory in large batches for Karnataka as well, and as well as in Tamil Nadu. So if you go for larger manufacturing, post-manufacturing laboratory test will come. So I'll be giving you introduction towards the laboratory cosmetic. Also, as the ma'am talked about organic and natural. See, fellow doctors and cosmetologists or interested personnel, male and female, you cannot claim your product organic. I repeat again, you cannot claim your product organic unless and until it is certified. Unless and until it is certified. So we'll be talking about difference between natural, herbal, and organic. We'll be learning about the certification procedures, Cosmos, organic, etc. So we will be talking a lot about the manufacturing aspect, certification aspect, laboratory aspect, intellectual IPR property right aspect of cosmetology and trichology. Or you get your product manufactured and God knows 10 out of 1 product becomes successful, and such 100 successful product, one becomes a national hit, such 100 hits become one international hit. I might be talking to future international Ayurvedic entrepreneur or future international cosmetologist right now sitting here. I'll be just clearing his pathway to his future. Together, we can take Ayurvedic cosmetic to the international level. And thank you, Pratidnya, to giving me chance to be acquainted with so many eligible persons, so many good persons. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And I wish you great success.
Thank you, Zeta, for that introduction. As Sir said, there is immense scope in cosmetology, and as Ayurvedic doctors, you can do much more than what is out there. And one more thing, as Sir said, our aim is to educate you, to give you all the tools required to progress in your career, just not giving you some to-do list and getting back. We'll be having a WhatsApp group after this. Whoever joins this program, we'll be having a WhatsApp group with the teachers in it, so that once you start practicing, once you start making these products, whenever you have doubt, you will be able to ask the teachers and they will be able to guide you properly. So this is something that we try to we have had till now. So that's also going to be something of value for you in the future. So again, Dr. Rahul has posted a link to a WhatsApp chat. You can click and join a WhatsApp group where all the details will be coming. Again, next we have the next doctor, Dr. Rajit. So let me introduce Dr. Rajit before I'm handing over the mic to him. Dr. Rajit Vikas Mehtre started Rajit Ayurveda Academy at 2014 and started educating doctors and students regarding cosmetics. Ex-senior R&D manager at International Pharma, Salubrity International Pharma, worked in the field of research of cosmetics. Started Veda Arogyam Wellness Institute Private Limited and launched various diploma courses in the field of Ayurveda, beauty, cosmetics, and Panchakarma. Training given for more than 8,000 students till now, nationally and internationally. Director of Veda Arogyam Wellness Institute Private Limited, Managing Director of Ayurveda Private Limited, owner of Enchanted Herbs cosmetic brand, and he has won a lot of awards. To name a few, National Coordinator for Ayush International Medical Association, IAO Certified International Teacher, Teaching Excellence Award as a Young Director of the Year 2021, India Iconic Education Award 2021 as Outstanding Contributor as Director, Asian Education Award 2021 for contribution to education of the community. So without further ado, let me give you Dr. Rajit Vikas Mehtre. Dr. Rajit, hello. Hello.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, Pratigya, and good evening, each and everyone. So once again, I am warmly welcomed by Pratigya team towards this session. As in the last course, everyone was asking, and there was a demand for advanced course. So I am very thankful for Pratigya team that they have arranged such an advanced program with various multiple speakers. Though sir has given intro of every speaker, you can directly see that what level of speakers are there in this team. And also importantly, the course fees is very feasible. Like it's not like very high or very costly. So everyone can take this opportunity for their business. And I can say that this fees will be beneficial. Like you can claim this fees after your production line. You can launch a single product and you can gain the fees returns. So this is a good investment, and learning something new is always best. So this time I have came with the cosmetics which are advanced levels. Like I have been working as in a cosmetic form. So always I have gone for the stability of the product. Whenever the product I am preparing or you are going to prepare, that product should be remaining for a longer period. That is the expiry date, the potency of the product, the stability of the product should be a higher, so that it won't harm the consumer. So always we will be checking for the stability and potency. Like many of the doctors and many of the members already preparing face packs and hair masks, but always the thing happens with the face packs is it gets molds or it gets the bacteria, or there is some of the infections are seen into it. So that is not a good impression of a cosmetic formulator. So how to avoid it? What are the tips? Specifically, what are the tips for avoiding such molds and fungal infections towards the products that we are going to see in our face packs and hair masks? And after the cosmetic line, then we are going to go for a very premium range of cosmetic products, that is the bath care. So we are going with the facial bombs, bath bombs, etc., bath salts, etc. So that is a very premium range. Like we can say that is almost, you can offer the hotels or restaurants for the bulk orders also. So how to approach them, what are the ways of marketing, that will be also teaching to you. And also how to package them, how attractively you can package them, that will be given by my end. Later on, I'm going this time for the cosmetological sessions also. Like we are going for the derma pen, derma roller, and most importantly, I'm going for the face lifting and hydrofacial treatment. So how to do them and what are the protocols, that I'm going to discuss, and I'm going to teach you all. Some of the reviews, some of the before and afters I'm going to show you. So this is the face lifting. So this is the person, this is the patient. So this way we are going to show this differentiable change we can see after 3 months. So this type of face lifting I'm going to teach you how you can go for this type of face lifting. This protocol I'm going to share you. Then one more photo I'm sharing with you all. This is the photo of the hair regrowth therapy. So hair regrowth therapy with the Dermapen and Derma roller, how we achieved it. This is, I am going to show you how we achieved it. The protocol of this I'm going to share with you all. Instant glow. So this is the instant glow gained by the premium hydrofacial machine. So this is what the how to work, because premium hydrofacial comes with various probes. So there are almost 6 to 8 probes on the premium hydrofacial machines. So depending upon various machines. So how to gain this type of glow over a single sitting. So I can claim you that this glow you can get it in a single sitting. But it is not only about the glow. Hydrofacial is a multi-purpose used machine. So if the patient is coming off acne, what probes should be used and what products should be used for the hydrofacial of acne person, for sensitive skin, for facelifting, different types of patients, how we can gain the proper properties and how we can gain the achievements the patient is expecting from the hydrofacial, that we are going to learn in this show. Thank you, Pratigya. Looking forward everyone to learn these protocols from me.
Thank you, Dr. Rajit. Wonderful presentation. So you have given us some images, and I'm very sure students will be interested to learn that. So again, the teachers of this program of cosmetology are in front of you. A few more details I would like to cover before ending the session. And you can ask if you have any doubts regarding the session, please do ask in the chat, and we will try to answer those. So these are the course details of the day one. And all these are the topics that will be taught by Dr. Madhu. Dr. Amala Jyoti's topics are on the screen right now. And all these details, along with the brochure, along with all the details, will be posted in that WhatsApp group that Dr. Rahul is posting the link to in the chat box, so that you can go through it and see if this program is for you or not. If at all it is not, please do share this with your friends and colleagues who will be interested in cosmetology, and thus help us reach more people. So I'll just give you a basic idea about what this program is all about. So this is a 20-day course with 40 hours of total teaching. There'll be four faculties, as you have seen. Exclusive sessions on aromatherapy and all those things will be there. Practical training will be there on cold press soap making, and guidelines for product manufacturing, etc. will be there. Access to recordings for 6 months will be there, and notes will be provided. E-certificate for participants, whoever is participating, will be provided. And yeah, there will be 24/7 platform for your queries as a WhatsApp group. The fees for the program we have kept as 3,999 for everyone. And for the people who have already participated in 3 or more Pratignya programs, we have cut short it to 2,499. Or people who have also attended the cosmetology program in Pratignya before, for them also we have kept it the same, so that it will give you something more. So this is one thing that we are we always try to achieve, that the teachers, whoever comes to our platform, are the people who are in the field, who are the forefront of their careers, and experts in the subject. So this is something that we wanted to have. So anything to add, Dr. Rahul or Dr. Anjana?
I will share a video of the previous participants.
Oh, please do. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the actually this is our success. The people who have, the first batch of cosmetology. Thank you, Dr. Rahul, for that video. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was our own participants of Pratigna program who have successfully made or created their own brands in the field. And this is actually a happy moment for us, because this is what we are all about. We are trying to give you tools to better yourself. So there are few questions, so I'll just go through few of them. So there is one question regarding videos will leave members without any terms and conditions. Like, no, only the member or the participants of this program will have the recording. So there's no other terms and conditions. There is no other, some people will get, some people will not get. It's not like that. Whoever is participating in this program will get the recordings. Now, Dr. Anjana also wants to add something. Let me call Dr. Anjana. Dr. Anjana, hello.
Hello. Yeah, I would like to add some things, because this is only some of the few products and some of the few companies we have shown in the video. There are more to add, because of the current batch is going on, and we will add more. And one thing I would like to add again is that every product in our house is Ayurvedic. Everything, every toothpaste, every soap we take, even the agarbattis is Ayurvedic. But are the Ayurvedic doctors getting benefits from them? No. So we as Ayurvedic doctors should take it upon our hand to make these products, and we should market it, and we should gain more. So that is my message, and we should definitely take this opportunity, and we should succeed more. We shouldn't be located only on agencies or under someone. We should be the one. We should be the businessman. So that is my message. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Anjana. And there is a question, does the certificate say advanced cosmetology? No, madam, it will be saying aromatherapy. SOP is what you are seeing on the heading. That'll be the title mostly of the certificate. Of course, the teachers will be, reviewing that before we can give it to you. Yes, there is a question, the preparation of vaccine powder, as we have discussed in the, madam, I'm not an expert in cosmetology. You will have to ask the teachers. Of course, you will have to participate first. So yeah, let me go to the next slide. I think, yeah, this is the number you can contact us if you have any doubts regarding this in the future. Even my number is on the screen. It is 960-550-9999. Dr. Anjana's number is 94469676638. Dr. Rahul is 812-987-6622. So you can contact these numbers, and you can, if you have any doubts, you can ask directly, and we will try to answer all your concerns before you can make a informed decision. So we'll be starting, as I showed you in the previous slide, we'll be starting on the 30th of this month until the 18th of the next month, September 18th. The classes will be from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. so that it is most convenient for everyone, even the students as well as the practitioners. That will be a good time to attend. Even though if you are, that time is not, you're not able to attend, there are recordings available if you're interested. So I hope we have covered everything. If you have anything else, please do add. Dr. Rahul, Dr. Anjana, anything else to add? Any more doubts you can ask?
Again, we would like to remind that if you want to join the meeting, Dr. Rahul is posting a WhatsApp group link in the chat box. Please click there, join. We will be sending this video in that group, so you can pass it on to your colleagues, your friends, those who want to join. So that is again a message. Please do join the WhatsApp group.
Thank you. So let's move on. I think is a course fee for the, yeah, doctor, the course fee is rupees 3,999 for all the participants. But if you are participants of 3 or more Pratigna programs, we have cut short it to 2,499, and the cosmetology who have attended before will also have the same rate, 2,499. Things be required for the students. Students, there's no particular requirements. Only thing is, there's no particular requirement as such. Okay. Only thing is you have to find time to study and have the interest to study. That is all. Right. I think that's it. Yes, definitely, Dr. Soumya. Third BMS or even first BMS, if you are interested in learning something, nobody is going to stop you. Only thing is you have to do it, in the right way. That is where Dr. Vinayak and Dr. Amala, all these teachers that we have will guide you on how to properly start a clinic. See, all the Ayurvedic, just my own opinion. Okay, this is not coming from anyone else. Just my opinion. If you want to start something, you need to know the right way to start something. Okay, as I told you just before, making a product, if you are making in the second year, you are doing a lot of Dravyaguna practicals, you're making something, but how do you sell it? Okay, what are the correct procedure of making it and making it available in the market? There are a lot of things that we need to know. That is why Ayurvedic people are left behind. So this is an opportunity for Ayurvedic people to get stronger. Right. So this is, at least some pharmaceuticals or, company, cosmetic company should have Ayurvedic doctors in them. Right. Yes, doctor, we have a lot of courses. Please do one thing. Please, this is the number you can contact us in, and please do contact us for details about other courses that we are having. We have a lot of courses on cosmetology, even dermatology also we have courses. Yes, second year students also can join. Only thing is you have to have the interest to learn. Okay. Yes, Dr. Hina. See, what we have is once we start a course, once we have a course, we take all the participants along with the teachers and we form a group, okay, WhatsApp group. Now, this group, we have requested the teachers to kindly be, be there even after the course is complete, so that, actually, when you learn something, if you're learning this, for example, you're learning some, the teachers were saying one serum you are learning, but you will not be able to make it then and there. Right, so you'll have to wait some time. You have to take your own time and start making the product. Once you start making the product, then you have doubts in your mind, right? Then you need a guidance. Then is the time that you need somebody to hold your hand and guide you through. That is where this group comes in. If you have a doubt, you can ask the teachers, and whenever they have they'll have the time and this one, so they will be guiding you on that, right? So that'll be helpful for the participants. Okay, practical preparations. Yes, practical preparations will be there. Demonstration of the instruments. Dr. Madhu was showing a lot of instruments in the beginning. She is an expert on that, and we have, we have demonstrations on the. She does demonstration on a model and shows us. So that is a good thing that if you want to learn. And after classes, yes, we can understand it. Classes. First year BMS. Yeah, actually first year BMS students also, as Dr. Anjana has mentioned, there are first year students who have already attended this program and already creating making products. I'll just hand over to Dr. Anjana. She can share, Dr. Anjana.
Yes, there are actually first year Ayurvedic students, second year Ayurvedic students who made these products and they were selling it in their own college and getting benefits. That is 100% benefits they were getting. And they have already messaged to us and their friends also want to join. So it is not a problem. It's not a hindrance. First year, second year doesn't matter. Anyway, we are not going right now. The colleges are not functioning. So this is the best time we can learn so that we can have a guidance to what to do next in our career. You can be a clinical practitioner and you can also make this product and sell it to your own patients. So even if you are not producing it in a mass level, also you can sell it to your own patients. You can actually convert these things according to the Ayurvedic formulations you learned in your colleges. You can make cream out of those preparations and you can provide it to any patient of yours, especially the skincare products. So yeah, first year and second year students can also join. They will easily understand this. Thank you.
Thank you. So I hope we have answered all your questions. If you have still questions, as I told you, please encourage everyone and personally pursue. Definitely, Dr. Padmanayani. Yeah, we have, this is, see, Pradigna was formed in one aim, to help the participants of the program, better themselves in their career or find a career path which they can follow, right? Find a specialty which they can, will be good for their clinical practice. So that is the basic aim of Pradigna. So that is what we have done, and all the participants of Pradigna will have, tell you the same only. And I hope we have answered all the questions. If you have any questions, please do ask. Don't hesitate. You can. These are the numbers again. I'll just inform. Just take a screenshot if you have. If you want, just give us any question in the WhatsApp, and we'll try to answer all your questions, all your queries. Okay. So I hope it is done, and let us close the meeting. So before we close the meeting, just a thought. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. There is something that you will not be able to, it will not be lost once you gain. And that is the only thing is education, right? So, so again, just one more last time, Dr. Rahul has posted a link to WhatsApp group. You can click on the link and join a WhatsApp group where all the details about this program will be given. Please share all the details to your friends and colleagues who will be interested in this. Maybe this will help them in their career. So with that, just want to introduce our team, our partners, Dr. Anjana, Dr. Rahul, and myself, Dr. Shyam, Dr. Rahul Jayashankar, Dr. Anjana Unnikrishnan. So our motto is keep learning, keep growing. So with that, I bid you all farewell for today. Thank you all. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you.